Hi guys! Welcome sa SIP9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on system of linear equations in 3 variables. So in this video, ang gagawin natin is isa-summarize natin yung calculation part ng ating series. No? So if we have 3 equations in 3 variables, we can multiply or divide any of the equations by any number to make the calculation more convenient. No? So for example, sa equation 1, makikita natin na puro even numbers yung mga coefficients, no? And yung constant na nasa kanan ay even number din, meaning we can divide both sides of the equation by 2. So if we divide both sides of the equation by 2, we have x plus 4y plus 2z is equal to negative 2. Sa pangalawang equation naman, meron tayong fractions. And sa previous video na pag-aralan natin na pag may more than one fraction doon sa mga coefficients ng terms, no, ay pwede natin kunin yung LCD ng mga fractions na yon and i-multiply natin both sides of the equation by the LCD. For equation 2, 1/2 tsaka 1/4, ang LCD ay 4. So therefore, we multiply both sides of the equation by 4. And this gives us 1/4 x times 4 is just x, and then 1/2 y times 4 is just 2y, and then plus 4z is equal to 4 times 3, that's 12. So sa pangatlo, wala namang fractions, and then wala namang common divisor, so as is siya, we have 3x plus y minus 2z is equal to 8. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2, and this is equation 3. Pag okay na yung mga equations natin, pwede natin i-add or i-subtract yung mga equations para ma-eliminate natin yung mga variables. No? So for example, dito, madali natin makita na pwedeng i-eliminate yung z using equation 1 and equation 3 kasi meron tayong plus 2z tsaka minus 2z. So pwede natin i-add yung equation 1 tsaka equation 3 para ma-eliminate natin yung z. So we have equation 1 plus equation 3. Ang equation 1 natin ay x plus 4y plus 2z is equal to negative 2. And ang equation 3 natin ay 3x plus y minus 2z is equal to 8. So pag in-add natin yan, pwede natin i-cancel yung plus 2z tsaka minus 2z kasi magiging 0 na yan. So x plus 3x is 4x. And then we have 4y plus y is 5y. And we also add the right-hand side. This is equal to 6. So ito na ngayon yung equation 4 natin. Then we can choose two equations na pwede natin ulit i-add para ma-eliminate yung z. Kasi z na yung in-eliminate natin dito sa equation 1 tsaka equation 3. So pag z din yung in-eliminate natin using another pair, we will have two equations in two variables kasi x and y din yung matitira nun. So let's try equation 2 and equation 3. Para matanggal yung z, i-multiply natin yung equation 2 by 2 para magiging minus 4z ito. And pag in-add natin dito, ang result nila magiging 0. Ma-eliminate din yung z. So that is equation 2 plus 2 times equation 3. Okay, so in equation 2 natin, we have x minus 2y plus 4z is equal to 12. Tapos yung equation 3 natin, pag minultiply natin by 2, we have 6x. And then we have plus 2y. And then minus 4z. That's equal to 16. Alright, so pag in-add natin, x plus 6x, that's 7x. And then minus 2y plus 2y, magiging 0 yan. Pwede natin i-cancel. We also have plus 4z tsaka minus 4z. 0 pa rin. And if we add the right-hand side, we have 28. So 7x equals 28, which means that x is equal to 28 divided by 7, which means that x is equal to 4. Maswerte tayo kasi dalawa yung na-eliminate. No? Madalas hindi yan nangyayari. So we already have x equals 4. Pwede natin i-substitute sa equation 4 para makuha natin yung y. So using equation 4, we have 4x plus 5y and x is 4. So 4 times 4 plus 5y equals 6. We have 16 plus 5y equals 6. We have 5y is equal to 6 minus 16. 5y is equal to negative 10. And y is negative 10 divided by 5, which means that y is equal to negative 2. Okay, isa na lang, yung z na lang. So using equation 1, we have x plus 4y plus 2z is equal to negative 2. We have x, ang x natin ay 4, and then plus 4y. Ang y natin ay negative 2, and then plus 2z is equal to negative 2. We have 4 plus negative 8. This is negative 4 plus 2z, which is equal to negative 2. We have 2z is equal to negative 2 plus 4. Lipat siguro natin to. Right, so we have 2z is equal to 2 and z is equal to 2 divided by 2 or 1. So, kompleto na yung ating solution. We have x equals 4, y equals negative 2, and z is equal to 1. Alright, so maraming salamat. Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo sa video. Don't forget to click the like button. And kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, you might also want to subscribe to our channel. And syempre, huwag niyo kalimutang i-share yung video sa mga kaibigan ninyo, sa classmates ninyo. See you!